my base is now on and it's looking
great.
And I'm going straight to the eyes. If you want to see how doing this base, you can go to my previous video, or I can show you a more detailed video if you want. You can write it down in the comments section. So for today I'm going to use my beloved Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be using this shade, which is the Jada shade. Start with a blending brush, dip it in. That was my phone. So I'm going to define my crease only in my inner corner, just because I'm going to have a really bold color on the rest of my eyes, so I want to define this here. Just use circular motions. You don't have to be too precise, just add a little bit of color on your crease before we go in with the bold color, like this. Next, with a bigger blending brush, I'm going to grab the Jada eyeshadow, and I'm going to start from the middle of my eyelid and just tap it to my outer corner. Like this. This palette is just unbelievable. Like this. Leave your inner corner blank for now. Later we're going to put some eyeshadow at the end, and I'm trying to be as round as I can, so I want it to be in round shape, blown out. So pack that color. Next step, I'm going to be taking a smaller and a rounder blending brush, which is also good for packing, and this one is the Morphe M506, and I'm going to take the same color, Jada, tap off the excess because we don't want any fallout, and start blending the edges. Use the smallest amount of pressure, and always remember, when it's for blending, grab your brush here, not here, okay? Here, because you then put the smallest pressure you can, and blend in circular motion as well. Okay, now you can see the difference. This is more blown out, this is not. So now that I have all blended out, I'm going to start bringing it a little bit more on my inner corner, like this, with what's left on the brush. I'm not going to use any more eyeshadow. use a tissue or something and wipe off the excess, and then go once again on only on the edges to soften more out eyeshadow. Okay, so both eyes are now blended. I'm going again with the Silk Cream eyeshadow and the same brush, top of the excess, and I'm going to just blend the edges here, and I'm taking it down to my inner corner like this. The Obsessed here, and I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to put it in my inner corner like this. And I'm using tapping motions. Also, I'm going to bring it a little bit more up to match my eyeshadow like this. Yes, 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 yes. Ow. So now with the same blending brush and the same Jada eyeshadow, I'm going to do my under eyes and bring it to the middle of my lower lash line, and I'll then blend it out really down, just to achieve a round eye effect. Okay, now that I'm looking a little bit scary, you know, in makeup, when you feel that something is going wrong and you look scary, just remind yourself that you are in a very good pathway. So now that I've blended my eyeshadow out, I'm going to do eyeliner and do some false lashes and be right back. Something Italian, or maybe Puerto Rican, you can catch me in Paris. I'm in it to win, I'm willing to carry the game if you think I'm not, look at the carrot. Okay, so I did eyeliner, I did eyelashes, and I also put some of the Obsessed eyeshadow on my inner corner right there, and I also brought, actually I just put a little bit of the eyeshadow and just dab it right here, dab it, not stab it, dab it. I just dab it right here, so I can have this more doe-like, bigger eyes effect. And I'm also going to take a little bit of the Pool Party with the same blending brush, just a little bit, and I'm going to blend it right in between for the fun part. I'm going to be taking a neon blue eyeliner. This is by NYX. It's the Vivid Brights Sapphire VIP, and it's gorgeous. As you can see, I also left some of the mascara marks because I don't need to remove them. I'm going to put some eyeliner on top. So let's go. So, as you can see, it's like an archy touch to this. Amazing. Oh, I love it so much. It's springy, it's summery, festival look. Now I want to do something blending for highlights. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Duo, and I'm going to use the Shade Sand Castle, which is this one right here, and I'm going to use this type of brush.
Yes, bitch.
I'm using the Primark PS Sunset Beam, and this is a coconut primer water, and I'm using it as a setting spray. Don't ask me why, I just tried it the other day and I really liked the finish.
Oh my god, yes. Feeling myself.
Guys, I am... I love this look. I loved how it turned out. Oh my god. You can use any color that you like. I am a sucker for blue, so that's why I used this shade. And oh my god, beautiful. I can't stop staring at myself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you... oh my gosh, look at the highlight. I hope you really enjoyed this look, and don't be afraid to try it. It's easy and it's fun and it's springy, summery, wintry. It depends on the colors you're going to use. So don't forget to follow me in my Instagram and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and comment down below if you like this look and if you want to see more of these tutorials or what you want to see next.
Oh my god, I can't stop staring at myself.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.